Every week, developers release new open-source tools that improve how we build, automate, and manage software systems. This weekly update highlights top trending open-source and best dev tool projects this week, so you can quickly discover useful tools without spending hours searching. From AI infrastructure and agent frameworks to developer productivity and research tools, these projects are gaining attention in the open-source community. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, MarkItDown, document converter for AI-ready Markdown content. MarkItDown is an open-source Python utility that converts documents and media files into clean Markdown. It supports formats such as PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, HTML, images, audio transcripts, and more, making it useful for retrieval and AI processing workflows. Developers run it locally or integrate it into pipelines where unstructured content needs to become machine-readable text. The tool preserves document structure while producing Markdown that works well with language models. This helps simplify data ingestion for AI applications. Use MarkItDown to prepare content for your AI workflows. Project number 2, Compound Engineering, Claude plugin for engineering workflows. Compound Engineering is an open-source Claude code plugin that helps developers apply structured engineering workflows during AI-assisted development. It provides reusable processes and guidance that help break work into organized tasks, reviews, and implementation steps. The plugin integrates with Claude-based coding environments and focuses on maintaining engineering discipline while working with AI. This helps developers produce more consistent results across projects. Add Compound Engineering to your coding workflow. Project number 3, CodeGraph, graph-based repository understanding tool. CodeGraph is an open-source developer tool that converts repositories into graph structures for exploration and analysis. It maps relationships between files, functions, and dependencies so developers can understand how code components connect across a project. The system processes source code into a navigable graph that supports code-based discovery and architectural analysis. This is especially useful when onboarding to large repositories. Use CodeGraph to visualize and explore your codebase. Project number 4, Skills for Real Engineers, practical skill collection for developers. Skills for Real Engineers is an open-source repository that organizes practical engineering skills into structured learning modules. It focuses on real-world development practices that developers can apply directly to projects rather than purely theoretical topics. The repository serves as a reference and learning resource for improving engineering effectiveness. This helps developers strengthen everyday technical decision-making. Explore the skills and apply them in your work. Project number 5, Academic Research Skills for Claude Code, Research Workflow Skills for AI Assistants. Academic Research Skills for Claude Code is an open-source collection of research-oriented workflows designed for Claude-based coding tools. It provides structured approaches for literature reviews, information gathering, note organization, and academic reasoning tasks. Developers, researchers, and students use the repository to create more reliable research workflows with AI assistants. The skills focus on repeatable research processes instead of ad hoc prompting. Explore the repository and improve your research workflow. Project number 6, 9Router, routing layer for multi-model AI applications. 9Router is an open-source infrastructure tool that routes requests across multiple AI models and providers. Developers define routing strategies and provider selection rules, while the system manages how requests are distributed and executed. It works as a middleware layer between applications and model backends, helping teams manage multi-model environments more efficiently. This is useful for applications that depend on different providers for different tasks. Try 9Router in your AI infrastructure stack. Project number 7, Webiny, serverless CMS and application platform. Webiny is an open-source serverless platform that helps developers build content-driven applications and websites. It includes a headless CMS, page builder, form builder, and application framework that run on cloud infrastructure. Developers manage content through a web interface while APIs deliver data to front-end applications. The platform integrates with modern cloud environments and supports scalable deployment patterns. This helps teams build and manage digital experiences efficiently. Deploy Webiny and start building serverless applications. Project number 8, NodeAV, visual node-based editor for AI workflows. NodeAV is an open-source visual workflow builder that allows users to create AI-powered applications through connected nodes. It provides a graphical environment where models, inputs, and processing steps are linked into executable workflows. Developers use it to prototype AI systems without manually wiring every interaction in code. The platform manages execution flow between nodes and services. This helps simplify workflow design and experimentation. Build your next AI workflow with NodeAV. Project number 9, Models.dev, Unified Interface for AI Model Exploration. Models.dev is an open-source platform that helps developers discover, compare, and work with AI models through a standardized interface. It organizes model information and capabilities in a way that makes exploration easier across providers and ecosystems. Developers use it to understand model options and integrate them into applications more effectively. The platform focuses on accessibility and interoperability. Explore Models.dev and compare available AI models. Project number 10, Background Agents, Framework for Long-Running AI Tasks. Background Agents is an open-source framework that helps developers run AI agents as persistent background processes. It provides infrastructure for scheduling, execution, and lifecycle management of agents that continue working beyond a single user request. Developers use it to automate workflows that require monitoring, processing, or recurring actions over time. The framework manages execution while agents focus on task logic. This helps build reliable long-running AI systems. Use background agents to run persistent AI workflows. Project number 11, Raindrop Workshop, Framework for Building AI Applications. Raindrop Workshop is an open-source development environment designed for creating AI-powered applications and workflows. It provides tools and examples that help developers connect models, interfaces, and processing logic into complete applications. The project focuses on experimentation and rapid development of AI products. Developers can adapt the workflows to fit different use cases and architectures. This helps accelerate AI application development. Explore Raindrop Workshop and start building AI projects. Project number 12, Agent HTML, HTML Generation Framework for AI Agents. Agent HTML is an open-source framework that helps AI agents generate structured HTML content. It provides patterns and tooling that allow agents to create web-ready interfaces and documents using predictable HTML outputs. Developers integrate it into workflows where AI systems need to render content for browsers or applications. The framework focuses on structure and consistency in generated markup. This helps bridge AI outputs and web interfaces. Try Agent HTML for HTML-based AI workflows. Project number 13, ClickLight, lightweight tool for event and interaction tracking. ClickLight is an open-source developer tool designed to track user interactions and application events with minimal setup. It helps developers collect and inspect event data generated by web applications while maintaining a lightweight footprint. The system integrates into existing applications and provides visibility into user activity. This helps teams understand application behavior during development and testing. Use ClickLight to monitor interactions in your app. Project number 14, piia-engram, Memory Framework for AI Systems. Piia-engram is an open-source memory framework designed to give AI systems persistent and structured memory. It stores information in a way that supports retrieval and reuse across sessions, allowing agents to maintain context over time. Developers integrate it into agent architectures where continuity and knowledge retention are important. The framework focuses on long-term contextual awareness. This helps build more capable AI assistants. Add piia-engram to your memory workflow. Project number 15, 9ARM Skills, Reusable Skills for Agent Workflows. 9ARM Skills is an open-source repository of reusable skills that extend the capabilities of AI agents. Each skill provides structured instructions, workflows, or tools that agents can invoke when performing tasks. Developers use the repository to compose more capable agents without rebuilding common functionality. The project focuses on modular and reusable behavior. This helps accelerate agent development. Explore the skills and expand your agent capabilities. Project number 16, PaperSpine, Research Paper Organization and Analysis Platform. PaperSpine is an open-source platform that helps researchers organize, manage, and analyze academic papers. It provides workflows for collecting documents, tracking research material, and exploring connections between publications. Developers and researchers use it to build structured research environments around large collections of papers. The system focuses on knowledge organization and discovery. This helps streamline academic research workflows. Use PaperSpine to manage your research library. Project number 17, Book to Skill. Convert books into reusable AI skills. Book to Skill is an open-source tool that transforms book content into structured skills that AI agents can use. It extracts actionable concepts and organizes them into reusable formats that fit agent workflows. Developers use it to convert knowledge sources into capabilities that agents can apply during execution. The project focuses on turning static information into operational knowledge. This helps expand agent abilities through existing content. Try Book to Skill with your learning materials. Project number 18, AnySearch Skill, Search Capability for AI Agents. AnySearch Skill is an open-source skill module that gives AI agents access to structured search workflows. It provides reusable logic for finding, retrieving, and organizing information from search systems during task execution. Developers integrate it into agent frameworks so models can access external information more effectively. The skill focuses on modular search capabilities. This helps build more informed AI agents. Add AnySearch Skill to your agent stack. Project number 19, Hallmark, AI-powered personalized greeting card generator. Hallmark is an open-source application that generates personalized greeting cards using AI. It combines user input with language and design generation workflows to create customized card content and layouts. Developers can explore how text generation and presentation layers work together in a consumer-facing application. The system focuses on creative content generation through a web interface. This helps demonstrate practical AI product design. Try Hallmark and create personalized cards. Project number 20, Automotive Engineering Suite, Skill Library for Automotive Engineering Tasks. Automotive Engineering Suite is an open-source collection of AI skills focused on automotive engineering workflows. It provides structured guidance, domain knowledge, and reusable capabilities that agents can apply to engineering-related tasks. Developers and engineers use it to incorporate automotive expertise into AI-assisted workflows. The repository focuses on modular skill-based knowledge delivery. This helps build domain-specific engineering assistance. Explore the suite and extend your automotive workflows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next weekly dev tool update.